Lisa swings from a 4-meter swing. How long does it take her to make one complete swing back and forth? So because we know that the swing is 4 meters long, and I know, because I'm a good physics student, that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. The period is the thing that we are looking for. That's how much time, so that's in seconds. And period equals 2 times pi, the square root of parentheses L over G. So if I replace numbers for letters, I don't know what period is. 2 pi times the square root, but I do know what L is, 4.0 divided by 9.8. So I'm going to do this math first because it's in parentheses. When I put that in my handy dandy calculator, I get a result of 0.4081632, and then I'll take the square root of it using my calculator. Get period equals 2 pi times 0.638876. And then to wrap it up, I'll do all of this math at once in my handy dandy calculator, and I get period equals 4.0141795 seconds. But to kind of clean it up, 4.01 seconds.